2019 Dodge Challenger V6 GT. Got factory converter there, then factory X pipe there. And what we did is put, the customer brought his own Flow 409s or different trends or race mufflers. They're knockoff Flowmaster super tins basically. Two of them there. And then it continues 2 1/4 out the back. And we did a rear resonator delete or rear muffler delete there and there, as you guys can see. So there's the knockoff super tins. They look exactly the same as regular tins, but they're knockoffs. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Not bad. So what do you guys think? Which sounds better, the knockoff Flowmasters or the Flowmaster Super 10s? Again? I think they're close to each other. I like this too, it sounds good. Here's sound decibels. Again. It's right at 95. Again. Go ahead and back it up. It's nice detail. It's clean. That's a clean sound. Dodge Challenger V6. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger V6 got race mufflers in the middle, knockoff super tins basically, and rear delete. Got nice stripes on it. I like the louvers at the end and in the back. Sets it off a little bit nicely. Got a nice idle to it too. Not bad. Enjoy, guys. Thank you.